Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create an AI voice agent that works 24/7, can handle multiple calls, concurrent calls at a time. Let's say 10 people are calling you at the same time. It can answer all those calls at that moment only. And plus point, it costs less than a human agent, so it works more, it costs less, so it's just a win-win situation for you all. So let's just build this agent, and uh, we need a retail AI platform for this. I'll just show you on my screen. Okay, okay, we are here in the retail AI agent. Also, I would like to share one thing, that it is completely free. You don't need to pay for any tools. I'm not saying you need to you can fully implement it into your system for free, but for demo purpose, for trying it out, you can build this for free, and for fully implementing, then you might need to pay for the tools. So but it works well for demo purpose, and I will show you exactly how. So we are here in the retail agent dashboard, and you will get $10 free credit once you sign up. Okay, so just create an agent, click on that, and create voice agent. Now we need to select single prompt agent, because if you are using familiar with retail AI, then you might be knowing that multi-prompt agent is useful when we are using more than three phone tools, and a conversational flow is a predefined and it's very complex. So in our case, single prompt will work, and we're building this agent basically for HVAC companies, and the template here, retail provides template, but we will start from blank, and you can test it out if you want. Just click create, and it will just load. Okay, we are here in the agent, and you can rename from here. Let's say in our case, HVAC YD. Then okay, just click it, and your agent is renamed. Okay, now for the LLM, which to choose? I would recommend three models which I personally prefer. GPT-5 or GPT-5, sorry. GPT-5 is very good for reasoning. So if you want good reasoning, your business requires reasoning things, then you can choose GPT-5, which works well. And next agent you can use GPT 4.1. It is very good for conversation, and it works well. And I personally use GPT-4o because it provides more natural conversation than any other model, and it works well for me. You can go with any other you want, but I'm choosing GPT-4o. And in the you can see here are the cost per minute of the agent. These are your costs with the retail AI platform, and you need to pay for that for once you have implemented it fully and your credits are over. And this is the latency, how much latency it will show, and these are the tokens. Okay, now here for the voice, you can choose any voice. Let's say we are using this
Welcome. Say
voice.
hello to Corolla, your
Let's
trusted AI ally on a
okay,
mission to make your
let's
life
use this
easier and
voice.
more manageable.
Just click on use voice, and you can go. Okay, you can set the temperature of the LLM here, and these are the function calling temperature. You can see this lower value yields better function call results. So if you want better call function results, then you can set the temperature as low, and you can get that. And also structured data, you always generate responses that adhere supply JSON schema. So you, if you want to structure the output, then you can switch it on, and we are not doing that. And you can select the 11 maps model. And you can control the speed, temperature, and voice volume, and it's pretty cool to control these features. And okay, now for the welcome message, if you want the user to speak first than your agent, then you can select this. And if you can turn this on if you want the agent to start speaking if the user is not saying anything. If it's off, the AI will not start speaking unless the user starts speaking. Okay, now you can select AI speaks first if you want the AI to speak first, and you can select dynamic message or custom message. So a custom message you can customize this. Let's say in our case, hello, thanks for calling Express Service. How may okay. This one will work. And okay, you can set this. How many seconds do you want the agent to stop pause before it starts speaking? So you can configure this. We are setting this as 0 because we want the agent to start speaking instantly. You can customize it your way. Okay, now for prompt, I will provide you all with the uh, link for uh, this prompt so that you can access it and you don't need to create it. I'm not creating it from scratch as the video will get too much longer. So I'm just for if you want how to create prompts, then you can tell me in comments. I will create a video about that, and you can go to retail AI now. Just paste the prompt here and click save here, right here, and that's it. Now the prompt is ready. You can read that if you want. Okay, now we are going to set up the function so that it can book appointments and it can answer or it can check available hours and just like that. So we need to click on check calendar availability. You can also select custom function if you want to build it with using other platforms such as Make.com or anything. But in this case, we are building with check calendar availability. We need to collect it with cal.com. And for the description, you need to paste that right here. You can go to the link again, which I have pasted in the description. Copy this thing, copy this thing here, and go to retail here. Paste it right here. And for the API key, you need to sign up to cal.com, and don't worry, it's free. And go to availability and click on new. Name it anything, let's say YT demo, and click okay. Once you're here in the availability, you can customize your working hours according to your time. And if you are signing up new, you can create your you will be getting option to select your working hours. You can then directly do it from there also, and we can customize it right here. In our case, it's Saturday. uh, it's on not on weekends, and all this. You can customize the time zone, and you can it will in our case it will remain America slash New York because we are building it for America and New York time zone. So and even times. Now click on new and name it anything like let's say YT demo in our case, and you can set the duration for the uh, appointment. Yeah, it's 60 in our case. Yeah, and it go to availability and select your available hours which you have created. We have just created it from availability, and click on save now. Okay, now copy this thing here in the link. Just copy it, go to retail, and paste it right here. And just change the time zone whichever you have chosen. In our case, we have chosen New York. And API key. Now go to cal.com again and go to settings. Now API keys and add. Now create an API key, and if you want it to be expire after specific duration, then select this, and you can select days. And in our case, we are going to select never expires. And you need to save this API key so that you cannot access this API key. So remember to save it somewhere safe, and go to retail AI again and paste things here and click on save now. Okay, one tool setup. Now, for the another tool, we need to go select either you can use book on the calendar or custom function. Book on the calendar just books the calendar that books on the calendar directly, but If you want more flexible option, then you can go with custom function, but you need to set configure an automation for that in make.com or anything. But it's more flexible, and I also personally use custom function. Okay, so now name the tool, and remember you have to name the tool which you have put it in the prompt. In our case, we have put the tool's name as book meetings and check available slots. So we need to change this also as uh, check available slots here and update it. This remember so the agent don't get confused about that. And now we need to click and now go with book meetings. And for description, go to the link again which I provided you and just uh, copy this here. Go to retail AI again, paste it here. And for this thing, you need to go to make.com, and don't worry, it provides 1,000 operations per month, which is very good for testing out. Okay, so I built the automation already for you. I will provide this template in the description. You can directly download it, so you don't need to build it. But I will explain every module which I have pasted here. Uh, it's a custom webhook. You can create it from add. You will get an option. You can name it and just click save. You will be here and copy this thing here from here and go to retailer. Paste this here and remember it to be post because we are sending data. So it will be post and go in the parameters option where you can paste it either in JSON or in form. For simplifying this, I'm pasting it in form, and you can you have to put two things here: booking date, uh, description. It's the booking date for the appointment, and click this as required, and yeah, now booking time. Just copy this here and paste it here, and it's just time save this. Click this as required. Now if you want the agent to speak during the execution, if the automation is taking more than 2 seconds, it will speak something like, you can configure this and just uh, also you need to configure this in the prompt itself, so it can the agent will get the information let's say just here if the book meetings function takes more than 2 seconds to run, say uh, just a moment. Okay, so it will just the agent will get the info, so it will work. And also more features are there. Let's say, like if your business is more complex, it need data, then you can add a knowledge base. You can either add your website if it has all details, and the retail AI itself can scrape it for free, completely free, and it will get all info. Or you can paste in any document or either a text also, and you can add it from here, but we are not doing it. If you want a video about that in detail, you can tell me. Speed second is settings. If you want a background noise to come, the background sound, then you can select this. And responsiveness, the how fast the agent should respond after user finished speaking, you can customize it. And it's the interruption sensitivity, you can how the agent can be interrupted by the human speech. And real-time transcription, if you want to remove noise or background speech, and or if the how you have to optimize it or for accuracy or speed. And it's basically this one is for medical purpose and to follow HIPAA compliance and healthcare terms. And call settings, in this it is for outbound, but we are configuring it for inbound, so we don't need this right now. And the the AI will. This is basically for outbound. Now this thing here, uh, and call on silence. If the user stays silent for, let's say, you can configure this. If the user is not speaking anything, like they forgot to cut the call and just put it away, so the agent will automatically cut the call after 2 minutes if of silence. So we can configure it. It's great for preventing your cost if it's there and the agent is the call is running but has not been cut, so it might waste your credits. So that's why. And max call duration, let's say your call lasts 5 minutes and someone is misusing your call for like they are just talking to it unintentionally for longer duration, then you can set up a max duration. Once the duration is hit, the agent will cut the call automatically. And ringing duration, it's for basically for outbound. Now post call analysis, we need to configure this for collecting the data such as name, service they require, and address and more things. You can add all those things whichever you need in the prompt itself. Yeah, and we are just adding name, service address, phone number, service required, and that's it. Booking date and booking time. You can add more, of course, but uh, in our case, we are just using it. And you can use any model you want. GPT-4 or Mini is free, and GPT 4.1 Nano is also free. So you can select it, but GPT 5 Nano is also free. But the better agents are paid one. But in our case, GPT 4 or Mini will work uh, like fine, and you just need to add those details which you want to collect. So let's say its name, it's the user's name, save it, text, uh, what phone number, it's the user's phone number, and yeah, click save. Now add another text, service required, it's the user. Yeah, click save and add another text. Uh, it's the user's address in which they want the service. Click save. Now add another and booking date. It's the appointment date in format uh, sample 60. Uh, remember to check the mm, yeah, just copy this thing here and click save. Add another, the last one, booking time. Paste it here and uh, just rename it as time and example format example as 10 and save. Okay, now we are all set, and just one thing we need to do. Yeah, this one is for HIPAA compliance. You don't need to worry about that. And the webhook settings, you need to you need to just save this scenario which we have done. I will just explain this what it's doing. First, it's just to confirm, it's for book meetings function, not this, but book meetings function. I will just explain this. What it basically does is that when the details have come uh, from the agent, the someone says to book appointment, it provides the booking date and time and the Google Gemini module. Because I've told that the agent is completely free to build, we are using Google Gemini module because it's the OpenAI module requires $5 in credit, so it needs to be paid. But Google Gemini AI module is slow, but it's free. That's why it works well. You can get the API key from Google Console and Google API and AI Studio, and you can access it for free. Just you need to sign up there. And what it basically does is it is provided with the EST and EDT dates, and it has to output it in ISO 8601 so that the date can be transferred with the in the automation. And the this module is the next module. This one is only needed if you are not working on weekends, because if you're working on weekends, then the the agent cannot like calculate the day about that. Let's say someone says 18 October and it's Saturday on 18, and but the agent don't know that because the user has only told him date, so it can't calculate it in the call itself that it whether it's Saturday or Sunday. So we have to set an automation. If it's Saturday or Sunday, output as weekend, and if it's not, output as non-weekend. Okay, so this one is done, and once done, if it's not weekend, then we have set a filter that automation continues. But if it's weekend, the automation sends a response. Sorry, but your preferred date and time is on Sunday, or is on, let's say, weekend. Hmm. Please choose another date and time. Okay, so this one sends response. If it's not, the automation continues, and it's checked. It just you need to add your calendar. You need to connect your calendar with this so that you can check your available hours uh, and free slots. And also in this, you need to connect your Google Gemini account to add this by API key, which you get from Google Console. And just you have added it here, so you don't need to add it here again. You just need to sign in with Google. And yeah, what it basically does, this calendar search for free slots. If it checks that if the slot is available or it's already booked. So if it's already booked, then it goes to with this that and sends a response that you're sorry, but your preferred date and time is currently not available. Can you please tell a different date or time? Okay, so this so that the user can choose another date and time to in available hours. So, but if the date is available, it just books the appointment and sends a response. Thanks, I've successfully booked your appointment at this date and time. Do you need any further assistance? And that's it. It's all done, and that was the scenario about book meetings. Now, for the post-call analysis, we need to go to uh, another agent. Oh, sorry, another automation, which is this one. For this, you need to set up your CRM, and in this case, we are using Google Sheets because it's free, and you can use any other CRM, Airtable, or any other. You can connect it. You just need to name the columns like this: name, service, address, phone number, booking date, booking time, and whatever you need more, you can add that, and you need to collect. Okay, we have added this info right there earlier, and we just need to set up a custom webhook, a different one. You need to add another by renaming and click save and copy this address right here. So then just click here and copy this, and now go to webhook settings right here and paste it here. and that's it. Now, yeah, this thing is done, and now we need to set up a event for call analyze. Okay, once done, we can go to further. This is the filter. It basically what it does is that the post call analysis comes in three parts: call started, call analyzed, and call ended. So we need the call analyzed part. So that's why we have said, and we don't need call started and call ended one right now. So we have just configured this. You don't need to do that. I will provide this in template in the description, so you can directly have that. And you just need to add your you can directly add your Google Sheets or whichever CRM you want to connect, but directly from here. And just select my path, my drive, and spreadsheet ID. You can choose any whichever spreadsheet you have chosen, and now click sheet 1. Yes, and I have already mapped out the data. If not, you have to add any extra, then you need to run this once, and you need to add this data here, and just click test, and the data will be mapped out. And I will if you want a detailed one video on post call analysis, you can tell me in comments. I will tell you. And okay, so this one is basically where we can map this out. Just go in call analyze, custom call analysis, and here's the details. Okay, and for confirmation email, when the appointment has been get into your CRM, we can schedule an email for that, which directly goes to your client or someone you wanted to go. Then the you can customize the content from here in the content section and subject from here, and you can add any attachment if you want. And this basically is there. It provides the name and the service, and that's it. Remember to save it, and also the immediately data arrives, you just need to switch this on and save this again. Okay, that's it, and remember to do this for that also. Yeah, uh, it will be off. You need to switch this on and click save. I did. Okay, that's it. You are done. Okay. Yeah, all set. Our agent is ready, so we can test this out right now. I will show you, and you can see there is no data here in the CRM right now, and there is no email also, and also in the calendar. I will just book it for next Monday at 10 a.m. You can see there is no appointment here. So I will just show you how we can. It will be updated fully automatically. You don't need to lift finger for that. And you don't need to save the agent, it's automatically saved. Like here you can see auto save that 0 pointer, like that it's the time. And okay, so if you want to connect it to a telephone number, then you need to add SIP trunking from Twilio account. And if you want a detailed video about that, then you can tell me. I'm not telling in this video because I want this video to be not to be too long, so that's why. So guys, let's just test this out. And before we get into that, I just need to share one more thing. I forgot to mention that we can also add the summary and the transcript of the call, which is very cool feature because we can get all transcript of the call for full analysis. So we don't need to there are no chances of errors, any kind of errors. So for that, we just need to create the first column for that, so that we can store the summary and the transcript. Just name it like this, and uh, just it's done. And go to make.com now, and uh, you can select Google Sheets now, and just refresh this. Although I will provide you with the template, so you don't need to worry about that. You can directly download that, and I'm just showing you how you can, if you want to build it manually, then you can do that. Okay, in the summary section, you need to map this out, and for transcript, you need to map this out. Okay, and just hit save, and here also save, and that's it. We are done. Okay, so now we are going to test this out, and you can see the CRM here. The Google Sheets, there is no data here in the CRM, and it will be automatically okay. So now we are going to test this agent out, and you can see that there is no data in this CRM or Google Sheets, and the data will be automatically getting into this without you lifting a finger. And the Google Calendar, you can see there is no uh, appointment booked here, and we are for just for demo purpose in the call we are going to book the appointment for Monday at 10 a.m. 20th October, and you can see the Gmail. There is no Gmail here. Also, the Gmail will be automatically coming. Okay, so that's we are going to do, and let's just test the agent out. You just need to click test here, and you can test this out by chatting to it, or by audio, whichever suits you best. But the audio one works best in case for any errors, as we are building it for phone calls only. So let's test the agent out, and let's see.
Hello, thanks for calling Express Service. How may I help you?
I need a quote.
We'd be happy to provide a quote. Please note that an inspection is required to give an accurate estimate. The inspection typically costs $70, but this fee is waived if you choose Express HVAC for the service. Would you like to schedule an inspection?
Sure, sounds good.
Great. May I have your first name, please?
John,
Thank you, John. Could you please provide your phone number?
958964121.
Thank you. Could you now provide the service address?
It's in 123 Main Street.
Got it. 123 Main Street. What type of service do you need the inspection for? For example,
It's an
heating,
AC
cooling,
repair.
ventilation. Understood, an AC repair inspection. What date would you prefer for the appointment? Please note that we schedule appointments Monday through Friday.
Next Monday,
Next Monday works. What time would you prefer? Appointments are available between 10 a.m. and 5 p.m.
10 a.m.
Thank you. Let me check the availability for next Monday at 10 a.m. Just a moment. We have availability next Monday, October 20th at 10 a.m. Would you like me to book this appointment for you? Just checking in. Would you like me to book the appointment for next Monday, October 20th at
Yes.
10 a.m.? Just a moment while I book your appointment. Your appointment for an AC repair inspection has been successfully booked for Monday, October 20th at 10 a.m. Is there anything else I can assist you with?
No, that's it. Thank you. Okay, so now you can see the agent. The call was very natural, and I have not edited this call. And you can see the data here. It's automatically updated. The CRM, the whole transcript of the call. That's pretty cool. You get the whole transcript of the call without lifting a finger, and the data. You can see the summary here, the user John needs an AC repair inspection. You can read this, and booking time 10 a.m. and the booking date the 20 October. As I said, next Monday it has automatically calculated the date also for the next Monday, and that's cool. Uh, you can see the phone number here, and now you can see the address, the service, and the name. And you can add any other info you want to collect. And this is just an example of how you can take the info and you can add whichever you want to collect. And now for the calendar, you can see the calendar is automatically updated. And for the Gmail, now you're sitting, imagine yourself sitting relaxing, and email comes an appointment schedule. That's pretty cool feature, right? That's very good. You can see your new appointment has been booked with John. The name also appeared, and for service AC repair, and automatically you get to know, and you can also customize this whatever details you want in Gmail. So that's it. I think thank this agent is very amazing. If you want any other information about that, you can tell me in comment section. Also, if you need me to build this agent for your company, then you can go below the link and book a free consulting call with me. I will tell you whichever details are necessary. And that's it for this video, and thank you for watching.